He is my brother. He is my brother. She makes breakfast. She makes breakfast. He wakes up early. He wakes up early. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. She is my sister. She is my sister. It looks delicious. It looks delicious. He goes to school. He goes to school. She goes to work. She goes to work. He likes cricket. He likes cricket. She loves music. She loves music. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. It is on the table. It is on the table. He drinks milk every day. He drinks milk every day. She cooks dinner. She cooks dinner. It is time to leave. It is time to leave. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. It smells good. It smells good. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. He helps his father. He helps his father. It is my favorite toy. It is my favorite toy. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress.